Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Phillips espresso machine. It comes to us with an error. Keep saying like a drip tray not inserted, door not closes. When I test the machine, I found it like there's a lot of coffee everywhere, includes in the there's micro switches to read like the drip tray is here and the door is closed already, but there was like a lot of coffees in there. So I put it only tune up on that machine, but I went deeper to clean that micro switch, and while I'm cleaning one of them, it gets like broken in the time. This is not fragile, but I just replaced it without telling the customer or charge him anything. I just put a new micro switch in there, and I finished the tune up, cleaned the machine, give it descaling and two cleaning cycles. I replaced this gasket on the brew unit and this valve behind the brew unit, and I put a new one. That one was a little bit leaks. So let's go ahead and test the machine and make a espresso shot on it. More coffee, this water. Okay. Nice shot. Just the hot water. Takes a little bit until it gets hot. That's enough. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.